All right, we're working on the old 94. Our friends over at the Bags Bros have been giving us a lot of heat for not having many videos up, so we're gonna work on a little install. We got us a light bar here. We got it initially installed. We're gonna reuse this. This came off of our Super Duty. We're gonna repurpose it. We bought these mounts on Amazon. I think they were 12 bucks. Nice and cheap, just like we like it here on Grish's Garage. I think I have to pause it there.
Okay, so it didn't fit on the bottom right here. It was too big. So we're gonna try something else. Okay, so we are unbolting a couple of these bolts to try and get that on.
I need just a little bit more clearance.
Okay, so we unbolted 2 of them. Now I gotta get the bottom ones. That's all 4 of them. A little bit. We're doing a hammer. Okay, so we got it to where we could actually put the bolts or whatever.
Yeah, we get the brackets.
The brackets.
The brackets in there because there wasn't quite enough gap. So we had to take apart some stuff we didn't really want to take apart, but that's just kind of how those things go. But that's okay.
Yep.
So now we're gonna work on the reassembly
And get it all connected. Okay, so we have put everything on. It's all bolted. And yeah.
Finish the terminations tomorrow.
Okay, hope y'all liked this video. We'll be back on Grish's Garage
Tomorrow.